Welcome back to the channel. In the last episode, we got the new transmission put in.
Yeah, we've been driving them for a while, and now the transmission's feeling great, nice and broken in. So now there's just a couple more things we want to hit before we're on our way to the shootout.
Let's get to work. The short list of things we want to do includes a new wastegate, a carbon fiber hatch, some sticky tires, and a tune refresh.
To start off the small mods, we're going to be ditching the eBay wastegate in favor of a Tile MVS 38mm wastegate we found on Marketplace for a great deal. Since this new wastegate is V-band, we'll need one of these adapters to bolt it onto the manifold.
Alright, so what's going on is Casey fabbed up a wastegate dump for us.
Ooh, so nice.
And we're test fitting it to cut the bottom of it to get our turn down angle.
Let's get a wrench.
So,
Need a wrench dressing.
Casey did a great job, but we're still gonna wrap it just because we want the heat management, not because we're embarrassed.
No, we're proud.
We're proud.
I'm proud that you're proud.
Oh, there you go. Those pliers did the trick.
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go.
Okay. Well, that's not going to go anywhere now.
Nope.
All right. Let's raise it up.
All right, Josh Groban this.
You raise me.
I began first.
Was the turn right? Did you have it?
Yeah.
We don't need.
It looks right.
Okay.
The nice thing about V-band is we can fine tune. Were you just whacking your car?
So we just need a space to tighten.
Yeah. What do you need?
I need somewhere for which for me to. That too. I mean, zip ties are always a good thing. Sponsored by zip ties. The one thing we don't have?
What?
Zip ties?
Oh no, we have zip ties. I didn't know you were talking to me. I was just over here flapping like a penguin.
I could tell. Almost called you a penguin.
Can you rotate this way any? Keep going. Okay. Yeah, go with that right there.
Got it?
Yep. I got it. Oh, I see what you're doing. You're just putting it in a better spot. All right, there it is. The wastegate swap is done. Dump tube is made, wrapped, and installed. So.
Installed.
Yep. All right. Next, we'll head down to Cincinnati to pick up the carbon fiber hatch.
Video of us. Oh, hi.
Oh, we just got the hatch.
It's in the back. You can't see
You can't see it, but it's back there. Here, let's take a look at it.
It's low pro.
It's back there. See it? There it is. Nice. So,
Heading back now to get it installed and swap the wheels out so we can get the new tires I ordered mounted and balanced.
yeah. So, we got a little bit of a car day, and it's gonna be good. The hatch looks great.
Yes. Oh, very nice.
Very nice.
Old school carbonetics. So.
Yeah. I love it. All right, we got the new hatch installed. It looks good.
Wasn't hard.
No.
It's definitely lighter than the stock.
Yeah, it is. And it looks lighter too.
Which is important because visual horsepower, it still counts.
It does. It still counts. So yeah, here it is. Looks good. Oh yeah, that's some fast boy stuff right there. And that's what it's all about.
Fast boy.
Fast boy. All right, we're getting some tuning going.
Yep, we're gonna verify the cruise tune, make sure everything's good with that, and then start getting into some boost finally with this transmission. Make sure the new wastegate is reacting how we expect and everything's good with that. Just make sure all the jitters and bugs and jitterbugs are out.
Oh yeah,
Ready to go.
yeah, we'll make sure we've got a good starting point for the first hit at the shootout.
That's right.
Yeah, there we go. We're logging.
Kenny Loggins.
Kenny Loggins.
The transmission feels great, and so does the new wastegate. We're getting the same boost levels with about 20% less duty cycle.
Dude, this thing shoots fireballs out the back. Yeah, it does.
Fire!
Yeah.
Cool.
No, that was sick.
Awesome. Shootout bound.
Shootout ready. All right, so that's everything we need to do.
Yeah,
I mean,
I'm happy.
yeah, I'm happy too.
Cool.
So, well, yeah, we'll see you at the shootout.
I'll see you there.
Just come see us
There.
at the shootout
Not tomorrow. Soon.
soon.